This video explains how to fit vision blinds. You will need a screwdriver, pencil, appropriate screws and fittings, a drill, though not needed in all cases, a metal tape measure. You may need a stepladder. You can choose to top fix your vision blinds onto the ceiling or lintel, or face fix onto the wall or window frame. Remember, wherever you place them, be it top or face fixing, the outermost brackets must be 5 centimeters in from each end of the blind. Using the pencil, mark where you're looking to fix your brackets. If you've been supplied with additional brackets, you can affix these evenly spaced between the end brackets. When positioning your brackets, be sure to allow for any protruding parts like window handles, or else your blind will catch and not hang straight. If you've opted to top fix, the bracket can be affixed directly to the ceiling or underside of the recess by using the single screw hole in the center of the bracket, with the longer end of the bracket sitting at the back closest to the window. For face fitting, use the screw holes on the back edge of the L plate to mount the bracket to the surface behind where you want the blind to sit. Next, attach the blind into the bracket clip section. Simply take the headrail of your blind and put its front lip into the brackets. Once it's aligned, push the back of the rail upwards to meet the other side of the bracket. This should engage the clip on the bracket, meaning that your blind is successfully hung. Now fit your child safety clip, ensuring that the bead chain does not catch the edge of the blind fabric. It's easy when you do it the direct blinds way.